Alright, today I got this little American lock. It's like a lockout, tag out type, but a laminated lock. Still new in the box, never picked it. I don't know, I guess I can't really count this as like a, out of the box pick because it's not like sealed. But you just have to take my word for it. Or don't, whichever. Looks like a 4-pin. Definitely spring-loaded shackle. Oh, you can open that in either direction. All right. Let's see. I always start with the big one, the 1.3 millimeter. And let's try this guy. Well, there's 4, I think. Yeah, it was definitely 4. 3. I think that was 1. No, I think 4 fell back down. There we go. It's open. Nothing much to it. Still fun to pick. I mean, I enjoy even like the cheapest Chinese padlock. I mean, if it's something I haven't picked before, and I mean this was $5-6 or something like that. It wasn't very much, so I'm not disappointed that it was that easy because it wasn't very expensive. The only time I really get disappointed in a lock is if it's advertising itself as high security and charging a high security price, and then it's got a master lock level 3 design to it. Excuse me. That's disappointing when you pay a premium for something that's not a premium product. But something like this, I mean, I didn't feel any security pins. That doesn't mean that there isn't any, but I can't gut it to find out unless I grind the rivets off and whatever. But for $5 or $6, it was fun and another lock to add to the collection. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.